विजन माइंड एंड टेक में आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। तो बेसिकली आज हम आपके लिए वीडियो लाए हैं ओएसिस प्रोटोकॉल, ओएसिस फाउंडेशन जिसे हम बोलते हैं, विच इज़ इनका जो कॉइन का आइकन है वो है ROSE रोज। तो बेसिकली व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग दिस प्रोजेक्ट फॉर टुडे वीडियो इज़ लाइक वेरी बुलिश सीन विच आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू अप। So let's go to the chart first. So here itself, as you can see, like it went already like 334% from till now to the highest peak. So let me just tell you about the month of August. So if you're just going for this August month, like 10th of August till this month, which is of 30th of September, like it's just take an example of 2 months. In a 2 month it went from 0.07 something to a 0.36, which is called 334% initial growth. And इन लोगों ने क्या था अभी all time high, they have already made a new all time high which is called 0.365 something like that. And as you can see, it is already showing 0.635365. So basically why they went too much high and now they are just accumulating zone, like in a accumulating zone, as you can see there. So इसका मैं रीज़न बताने वाला हूँ. So basically ये bullish क्यों हुए थे? So bullish ये हुए थे because of the reason is this. So basically they have already announced their Rose Oasis wallets which are live on mainnet. So in which the self custody of your Rose will be there. You can send and receive the Rose token and keep it safe for the lifetime with yourself only. You can stake your Rose with the network validators and earn staking reward, which is very beautiful rewards basically. And also you can use the web wallet or the browser extension, which is a good thing like MetaMask and all. तो इसमें इन लोगों ने ये डाला था इंट्रोड्यूसिंग अ रोज ओएसिस वेब वॉलेट, तो उसकी वजह से रोज का प्राइस काफ़ी पीक हुआ था. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दिस वेंट हाई एंड नाउ इट इज़ कमिंग इनटू एक्यूमुलेटिंग जोन बिकॉज the bear market have started from like 10 or 15 days, so that is why. But still it didn't dump too much. And if you can just see right now also it is already like let me just tell you, from here to here it is already 44% plus from that initial down. So now still you are just in a profit. तो बेसिकली क्या है, दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल टाइम. दिस इज़ नॉट माई फाइनेंशियल एडवाइस बट दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी परचेज रोज एट 0.15 and 0.144 also. So basically I am accumulating as more as rose possible because I know, and there are rumors are also coming that this coin will be listing on Coinbase soon. Yes, you just mark my words that this will be going to happen very soon. And the another thing which they have already did in this month is like they have already attended the mainnet event, and as you can see, chief operating officer Annie was already there present and representing Oasis Labs. As you can see this, congrats to our team China for successfully hosting their first event in Oasis. And the mainnet was there, and they have already did a recent partnership with Indian project which is called Knit Finance. And in Knit Finance, we Mind and Tech is a private investor also. So yes, I know the team personally, and yes, I know that what is their potential, and this is a very bullish partnership which I can say as per my experience and all. And this will definitely impact a very positive way, and you have to check it out like when you will get the result of that thing itself. And about Oasis, like which I want to tell you that where this coin is present is like you can just check it out on Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, CoinList, Hotbit, Bitfinex, Big1. So just take an example of Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Hotbit and Bitfinex. Just keep these exchanges in your mind, and most priority is Binance and KuCoin and Gate.io. That's it. You just if you want to buy or sell your coin, you will have to go in these 3 exchanges only. Do not go here and there because these are not having that much of high reputation. So guys, that's it for today, I think so. And if you're new to our channel, so just all the links are in description about our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is our Telegram channel, which is having 11 point something k view followers and members, as you can say. And we are already pushing out the updates back to back. In a day we used to update like 5-7 updates and all. So basically it will be very beneficial for you to be updated with the cryptocurrency news and all, and we'll see you guys around. Thank you.